English speech competition, Husna Inam. So I have a loud round of applause for Husna Inam.
My name is Husna Inam, and the topic that I've been given is how independent are we? So we celebrate Independence Day every year. We celebrate it with a lot of joy, happiness and exuberance. Basically, we celebrate being independent, the state of being independent, which means being free from oppression, having equal rights, having freedom of speech, being free from feudal mentality and primitive thinking, and the discrimination which is made on the basis of language, color, caste and creed. So this is a question which all of us sitting here and enjoying and celebrating this event should ask ourselves, that are we really independent? And if we say yes, then how independent are we? I mean, this is the, I don't want anybody to get offended, so no offense, but today, when we are celebrating the 70th year of independence with a lot of joy, and we are extremely ecstatic, which we definitely should be. I mean, I personally believe in the fact that we should be optimistic and we should see the bright and positive things and avoid being pessimistic. But there are some things which get neglected, which shouldn't be like this. Like, are we having equal rights? And if yes, are we availing those rights? Then, gender discrimination, it is another topic, that are women given equal rights, or are we confident enough to carry ourselves well in the society, to provide for ourselves and to be independent ourselves without feeling inferior? I mean, it doesn't mean that we are self-centered or self-absorbed, but it's just that you depend on yourself, you have that belief in yourself that yes, you have the capability, you can do it yourself. Then another thing which really adds to it is the freedom of speech, that are we able to express our emotions, our opinion or thoughts about any particular thing without feeling that, okay, if I say this, what would this person say? Or if I do this, oh my God, this person is going to condemn that. I mean, this is what we think. And if we have that, if we are thinking that, then our thoughts are dependent on other, which is not being independent. So there are a lot more aspects to it. I mean, there's a lot of things that can be added to this speech, but I don't have time. So this is what I highlighted, and I would just like to say that we have got Pakistan after a very big struggle, the struggle that I cannot put into words, but now it's our responsibility to take it forward, to somehow do better, to work towards the betterment of it, and this is how we can redeem ourselves and at least try to make it better. So thank you so much for listening, and Allah Hafiz.
This was Husna.